Hey everybody, I am super excited to share with you the kit of the month for March, and this kit comes from Spellbinders. It is a wonderful kit. I've already looked at everything and I took everything out of the little packages so I wasn't messing around with all the packages throughout the video, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I was asked if I wanted to just create some cards, and of course I said yes. I love Spellbinders. So here's a little card you get. And if you haven't heard of the card kit from Spellbinders, I will leave a link down below, so be sure to check it out. I will be making some cards using this kit, really fun kit. Simple cards, and I think this is a great, I guess, kit if you are just wanting to get into cards, or if you only have, or if you just want a few cards to make or something, but it comes with so much stuff and everything basically, honestly, besides the die cut machine. And yeah, because it comes with adhesive, and yeah, so let me show you guys before I start rambling on. All right, so like I said, I took everything out, but it comes with some gorgeous paper this month, and each month is different. Just take it all out here. I'm going to move the box out of the way. All right, so this paper is super pretty, and it is purple. It's really cool. Reminds me of that acrylic, what is it, the acrylic, so this one's really nice. It's purple. It's really pretty. Fun design. And then this one here, again, really pretty. And they are a little bit thinner paper. I won't say as heavy as like regular cardstock pattern paper, but it isn't thin like printer paper. It's a little bit thicker than that. And it's one-sided. And then this one here, that foil. This one. Nice. Let me see if I can show you guys a little bit closer. All right, this one. And then we have some regular cardstock. It's a little bit textured. And then some gold. Oh, double-sided. I haven't seen that before. So that's pretty cool. So it's double-sided foil paper. And then we have some pink, green, white, and then another purple cardstock. So that's the paper. And then also it comes with the card bases. So you get, I believe, 10 card bases and 10 envelopes, which is nice that it comes with the envelopes already. So just like that. It's not the standard size card. I can't recall exactly what the measurements are, but these would be cool to do. Even you could cut off a little bit on this side and then add more paper, or yeah, I have some ideas. So yeah, so let's see. And then the envelopes, and you could definitely put some pattern paper on the inside to match the card if you wanted to. All right, next is the dies. All right, so here are the dies. So you got this cute little banner, and then this one has little hearts, circle, and then I believe this goes in the center of that, so you can cut it out and have it be, you know, show the pattern paper or something, or you can cut this out in cardstock and, you know, tons of different options. All right, so you have some flowers, and then you can layer these on top of each other, and then here's like a little, I think this is for this one, I'm guessing. I'll have to check it out, but really cute. And then this one here is another like frame, and don't think you can cut out the center, but this would be really pretty embossed as well. So you can use them as die cuts, or you can also emboss with them. So really fun. Can't wait to use those. All right. I did say that it comes with adhesive, and it does. So you have this adhesive here. Didn't realize I didn't take this out of the package, so I apologize. And this is really sticky actually, and you get a ton, definitely more than you need probably. So that's nice to have. And then you also get foam dots, and you can definitely use, you know, like these strips right here, and not just the little squares. So that's nice. And then you also get some ribbon. Get a lot of ribbon if you like putting ribbon on your cards. So some are like satin, and some are more, I think this one is more like a seam binding, and these are more like a sheer type of ribbon. So really pretty. And you also get some word stickers. So really nice. And some pearls. Don't know if that's going to focus. Get some pearls, and you get some of these. Cute, already done for you with the foam adhesive on the back. And you get this sentiment die cut. It says hello, and it looks like it's a little bit raised, so it's not just out of cardstock. Then you get some little flowers, cute. And they have glitter in the center. Then you get all of these die cuts. Hopefully I got them all. Just show you. Got some flowers, some leaves, some sentiments, which is really nice because if you're not a stamper, then this card kit is wonderful because it has tons of sentiments for you, so you don't have to stamp. And then this is super gorgeous. It's got foiling on it. I don't know if that's gonna pick up or not. Really pretty. All right. Next we have, these are super cute. They're little hot air balloons, and this one has some little flowers in there and a little brads. Really cute. And some more die cuts. These are chipboard with some foiling on there. Really cute. And I'm almost done. I'm telling you, this kit comes with a lot. All right, these are like clear doily type stickers, so those would be nice to use. And then some like acetate pieces with some designs and sentiments on them. So this one is in like a little doily, really nice. And this one's like a frame. I don't know if it's kind of hard to get this camera to focus on these acetate pieces. This one says happy and grateful, and this one says today is your day. I think that's it. Yes. So like I said, if you are interested, I will leave a link down below, and I will for sure be sharing my cards over on my Instagram page, so be sure to follow me over there. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that bell button so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!